They said apple cider vinegar is great for you, but this is what they didn't tell you. Well, you probably all know that apple cider vinegar is extremely beneficial for you and your health in general. We have many different articles about why this ingredient is such a great and amazing tool which is very useful in treating many different health problems. Well, to be honest, apple cider vinegar has not always been used appropriately, and studies show serious health risks can result from excess amounts. So you should always consider moderation when using this high acid liquid. In this video we are going to show you some of the health benefits of this amazing and super healthy ingredient. Arthritis. Did you know that if you combine apple cider vinegar with organic honey you will get a powerful remedy for treating arthritis? Well, yes, and you can apply this combo externally, on your painful joints. Or make a mixture of 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 teaspoons of honey in 1 glass of water and drink this remedy 3 times every day. You can also soak the affected place in a solution of apple cider vinegar for 10 minutes 3 times every day. You can treat arthritic knees by making a poultice. You just have to soak a piece of cloth in a mixture of apple cider vinegar and water. Then you should wring out and wrap the cloth around your joint. You should secure it with another dry cloth to retain heat. And when the cloth cools, you should wring it out in the hot solution and apply it again on your arthritic knee. Make sure you repeat this healing process 2 times every day. Asthma. You can relieve asthma symptoms by mixing 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water. You should drink this mixture in sips for 30 to 60 minutes. Then after 1 hour you need to do this treatment again. Note: make sure you practice some breathing exercises, they can be also very useful and beneficial treatment. Blood loss. If someone experiences a nosebleed without any particular reason, then he should mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink this mixture 3 times per day. It will help him restore its natural clotting properties of the blood. Tired and sore eyes. How to treat tired and sore eyes? Here's what you need to do. Just mix 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of honey in a glass of water. You will be amazed by the results. Share this trick with your friends and family. Eczema. There are 2 different apple cider vinegar treatments for this skin condition. The first one is to make apple cider vinegar and honey mixture and drink it 3 times a day, with your meals. And the second one is to apply diluted apple cider vinegar to the skin for couple of times a day. One of the most common causes for this type of skin condition is usually a potassium deficiency. Fatigue. What is a chronic fatigue? Well, it's usually a warning sign that your body needs some attention. Some people who are affected by this health condition don't sleep enough. So if you want to improve your sleep, you should consume honey, because it acts like a sedative to your body. Here's what you need to do: just mix 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to a cup of honey and consume that before you go to sleep. You will fall asleep in less than 1 hour. But if you can't fall asleep within 1 hour, then you should repeat the same dosage. Hemorrhages. Did you know that if a person who regularly drinks apple cider vinegar cuts himself, his wound will dry up almost instantly and there will be no excess bleeding? So if your wounds don't heal fast, then you should take 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar mixed in 1 glass of water. Drink this mixture with your meals 3 times every day. As you can see, this amazing ingredient has many health properties and it can provide many health benefits. You should start using it immediately. But remember, as we said, you should always consider moderation when using this high acid liquid. It can cause some health problems if it's used in excessive amounts. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.